This is a dual credit automotive class from Deer Park High School here at San Jacinto College. And it has juniors and seniors in it. They're getting the same classes that after they've graduated from high school, they would come in here and take these same classes. So the Deer Park students, they're actually doing 2 years worth of classes while they're going through here. They could easily go into a manufacturer program. They will have already taken the basic classes of that, so they could actually go into manufacturer program where they actually get training from Toyota, Lexus, Honda, or GM, one of those programs as well. Just about all of our students, they don't stay in the shop. They'll start off in the shop and then they end up managing a group of technicians, and then some of them end up being driveway managers or parts managers, or they even end up in the parts department. So we've seen our students, even though we're training them for the hands-on part, that may be where they start, but that's never where they stay.
As of right now, we're learning electrical, so like the electrical diagrams, how starters work. Now, like about a week ago, we were learning on gears, like how they shift. Like right here is a gear, it's like a whole clutch, and it shows you everything. So that's what we've been learning right now. Very fun. When I get a class, I'm looking to do something mechanic-wise, maybe work at Ford. That's my plan, because that's what my family does, so that's what I'm trying to do. Yes, this class is, if you don't know not one thing about cars, to if you know a bunch, you're going to start from ground one, no matter where your starting level is at. From safety all the way up to just changing tires. That's what we do. So start to finish, you're going to be a beginner no matter what level you are. But that's the good thing about this class.
Right now in the automotive technicians, there's a big shortage of them. And then there's a lot of people that are retiring out of it. So we like to say the white hairs and no hairs are the ones retiring out of the system, and they need replacements for those people. And there's a big shortage just for that. And then on the dealership level, if you notice that automotive dealerships are expanding, they're making giant shops, 75 bays or more, and we need people to fill those areas. And then some people have said that, we're going to get away from fossil fuels and we're going to get into electric cars. You're still going to have a car and you're still going to need maintenance on it. We may not be working on an engine, but you're still going to have the suspension system, the brake systems, all those that they're going to have to know, that you're going to need service for. So as far as the car market, sales are up. There's going to be more vehicles on the road, and there's going to need people to take care of them. There are some universities in Texas where if you show up with an associate's degree in automotive from certain colleges, and San Jacinto is one of them, in 3 semesters they can have a bachelor's degree in automotive and a minor in industrial arts. Within a couple of weeks when the students start here, they can find a job easily. So placement is almost 100%, 99 point something, but there's plenty of work, plenty of jobs out there, and we always have employers calling us looking for trainees, looking for students. So
just be ready to do hard work and don't make any, mistakes. If you make a mistake, the teacher will get you 100%. And just keep studying, keep trying.